Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Here we have our CXD. Now, if someone asks you that you have to search any references of anything, like here I have this simple word, and it has this property like it has this property which is color green. Now, if you want to search all the nodes below a particular path and find where this property is with, the property exists with the name, color and value green. It seems like in the usual case, SQL query. AEM basically supports SQL 2 queries. And here, if you will go to this tools, you can see the query option. Because the tools you have the query option. Here you can see there are 3 types of queries, but most of the time it's the SQL2 query that you should be using in your code or while searching again. This console also somewhere it helps you with creating the query. But here you can see the generator execute. With generate, you can generate a query and execute will be executing that query. Basically, it helps you with generating a query, but it's not the foolproof. It tend to make mistake. Here we say below, let's say below our sample content sample. We want to search every node which has this property which is color green. The path will become content sample and the text is color green and I will write generate, you can see it. Generated a query for you, select star from antivirus as it says where it is descendant. It means try to find below this and says and S contains color is equal to green. This portion is not correct here. We know that color is green. Here we will say S dot like color. And green simple. If I will execute this, you will see you have one result over here. Like if I add this property over here, let me add this color. And let's again run this. It should give 2 results. You see, like this is basically you can create seat like in SQL. We have joins all those complex here. You cannot write many like complete complex query because it is not a relational database. It is database. You cannot write that much complex queries, but basic, simple queries to find on the basis of this particular path and the property value of this. All these queries you can do. Like I wrote down some. Like if you want to search where a particular node name is this. Let me just use this real node where and let me write and name of nodes is this. Here we are getting 2 results. Child sample and sample words. Let me use the name is sample word that if I will execute. like exception of that and the no. This is not correct. This is not correct. We are the. You can see it gave me a reason. I use where the name of that node is simple word. And who has this property? If you want to search on the basis of just like a sample is there in both your sample word and child sample. I will see where simple percentile and here I use like again. It should give us two results. You can see two results. Here it means if the text sample is available, but it can be either before or after. There can be some text before or after it, after the sample. Here we use the name of the node like an sample. Like, consider if you wanted to search that which particular user has edited any user who has created like. If you get a requirement that if you want to find all the nodes below a particular hierarchy which has been treated by a particular user. We know that if a user creates a page, then the property JCR created by gets added. Here what we can see is where s dot because that property JCR created and then we say is equal to and we created by. Created. You can see. It will give you all the nodes which has been created by and this way you can see here I get the 18 desert but let's say let me update this from admin to admin 1. Here one node I said that it is not being created by admin. It is good. Where would you? How do you take here? Instead of 18 results, you should now get 70. Do you want to execute this? You can see at 17. Basically see SQL queries. You can get on internet as well. Like you REST type SQL to queries in AEM. You can get reference from there, but how you execute them? What is the purpose of those? Basically how you can use the combination of multiple queries to create your query. All those things is what you need to know. I told you if you like. If you wanted to search on the base of a particular property, that we did. If the node name may be like this. Like here you have this task priority medium. Let's use some simple thing. Here we have this last name is Ram. And let me go to the child and here also add this property. Last name and let's say it's really is G. Both these nodes, like simple, will also have the last name and the values from. And here the child also has this last name and values Ramji. If you want to search every node which has the text Ram, plus there can be also something matching that you will use here. Last name like again like and then you will say percentile Ram. Exit. You can say you get two results because both these will match both your child sample. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.